Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing a 1-hour trading strategy. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 1-hour trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 39 different strategies. This one will be the 40th, with 12 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 473 indicators, with 193 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. All right, so today's strategy is a 1-hour trading strategy. I believe the original video said something about the best SSL channel strategy, something along those lines, and so we're gonna give it a test like usual and see what we can get out of this. Consists of two different indicators, and so one is going to be the SSL channel, and so pretty easy if you just type in here SSL. The SSL channel here by Erwin Beckers is going to be the one that we used. It is on the default setting. Then the second indicator we're going to use is a moving average, and so just a standard moving average, and it's going to be set on a 21 period. And so that's the setup we see here on screen. So what we are looking for is the switch of the SSL channel, and so if you've never seen the SSL channel before, it looks like this here. You can see that the green and red line swap places. Either the red line's to the top side or the green line is to the top side. And so generally when the green line flips to the top side, that is a signal to go long. When the red line flips to the top side, that is typically a signal to go short. Move that back up there. Now, that is what we are looking for. Here is that kind of directional indication there of price action. And then the moving average that we have on screen here is we are wanting when the SSL channel flips to the green side, then we are looking for price action to be above the moving average. When the SSL channel flips red to the downside, so red line being on top, signal to go short, then we are wanting the price action to be below the moving average line. And so a couple examples of that is if we take a look at this area right here. Here's a prime example of that. If I get rid of price action for just a moment, you can see that right there our green line on the SSL channel flips to the upside. If I turn price action back on, you can see that this big green candle here closes above our moving average. And so that would be an entry to the upside. So a long entry right there. Our stop is going to be right below the last swing. Last swing here is right in this area. There we go. Gosh, if I can find the right line right there. And so it's going to be right here in this area. You can see that we get right here that swing right there. And so that's where we're going to put our stop, is just right below this, right where this black line would be. And then our take profit is going to be when the SSL flips in the opposite direction. And so in this case, we have there all the way up to this red candle right here is technically when the SSL flips. About 222 pips roughly is going to be that move right there. You see that the SSL flips right here to red on top, but you can see that price action isn't below that moving average. Then we get a flip back to the green side right here, which that would have been an entry on this candle right there. And then we would have gotten stopped out right over here as the SSL flipped back the red to the top side right there, about a 95 pip loss. And then we would have entered again right here on this one. This is going to be the first short, so the SSL red line is on top, red candle has broke down below the moving average, and then we would ride that out to about right there, 170 some odd pips, and our stop would have been right about there. So that's the strategy in a nutshell. Sorry, squeaky chair right there. Not a whole lot to it. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the testing of the 50 trades. We'll pick this up at the end of that testing, so that way we can take a look at what this was able to achieve. All right, so that is going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we've actually had switched over to an Excel sheet as well. And so you'll get the Excel and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which ones are winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. You'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so that will show exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Our admin Rob is posting almost everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners. His own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanner, he'll post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers. And together they are creating a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they're giving away to all the patrons absolutely free. And they're actually working on turning those into trading bots as well. Once they have that done, they'll be offering that to the patrons. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so what exactly was the strategy able to achieve? Well, let's see here. Let's pull this down. So out of those 50 trades, 50 tests that we did there, we had 22 winners, 28 losers. We had a gain of 216 pips, but a loss of 599 pips, so right at 600, a loss of 600 pips. And so that put us in the negative by 383 pips. The original video was just throwing claims out there without having them actually properly tested. And so this gives you a very good idea of what the strategy was able to accomplish, and it wasn't very good. So obviously this one is not a good strategy. This one is going to go on the strategy no list. There are quite a few strategies that we have tested that will do very well and help you to become a profitable trader if that's what you are looking for. And so go back and check out those videos. Look at the Excel sheet of all strategies that we've tested. Has easy links to go back and review those winning strategies. So all right, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to testing some more indicators from here.